Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A6 C6 front bumper. First, park on level ground and disconnect the battery to avoid airbag issues. Remove the grille clips and the inner fender fasteners next, keeping parts organized for reinstallation. Keep a small tray for screws and label any clips so you can find them later. Work patiently and test each step rather than forcing parts to prevent breaking plastic tabs or paint. Begin by turning the wheels to gain access to the inner fender liners on both sides. Remove all screws and plastic rivets holding the liners, using a trim tool to avoid breaking them. Pull the liner back gently to reveal bumper mounting bolts and set liners aside. Take clear photos of each step so you can reverse the process easily during reassembly and keep fasteners in labeled containers to speed up putting everything back together. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfortable and last through lots of shop time. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With liners out, remove the top trim screws and the lower bumper bolts while supporting the bumper's weight. Carefully pry open side clips using a trim tool, working one side at a time until the bumper releases. Before pulling the bumper clear, disconnect fog light connectors and parking sensors to avoid strain on wiring. Once free, set the bumper on a soft surface and inspect tabs for damage so you can replace any broken clips before reinstalling the bumper later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.